This simple 5 minutes exercise has become a key part of my drawing routine. And since then, I not only became way more confident at drawing gestures, but I also understood the human figure way better. I stole it from one of the best figure drawing books ever published, and now I want to share it with you. Because at the beginning I was so frustrated with my gestures, they all had the same issue. They were stiff, unnatural. And I see this same mistake made by many other students. My figures used to look like snowmen. You see how wrong this looks? And the worst thing is that I felt that something was missing, but I didn't know what. But everything changed when I started studying from this book. Because it exactly pinpointed my mistake, which is the bunny hop. You see, many students when drawing gesture bounce from one part of the body to the next one. See how stiff the result is? In the torso, in the arms. This is exactly what caused my figures to be so unnatural. I finally got it. Because the tendency for most beginners is to close off the shapes and have flat angles between them. This stops the eye of the viewer and gives you that snowman effect. The right way to draw figures is with rhythm instead, where one line flows into the next one. It doesn't bounce. Now let's draw the same figure in the right way. You see how the upper torso flows into the lower torso and pelvis? Same thing between the upper and lower arm. This is what gives you that dynamic feeling in your figures and that sense of balance. Because rhythm, if done in the right way, gives you that 45-degree angle between the various parts of the body. The most dynamic type of angle you can have. So how did my drawing routine change after knowing all this? How did I start applying this principle? Everything started from just one exercise. By the way, if you need this kind of help with your figure and gesture drawing, join my free art community in the description. Before this exercise, I was just doing some random lines to warm up. Long, continuous lines using my shoulder, which is fine, but this exercise is way better. This book calls it the ski track. Imagine a slalom track where the gates represent the apex of our curves. So to go in the most efficient way possible from one to the next, the angles between them must be at 45 degrees, roughly, half a right angle. If the angle is wider, we would have the same problem of the rabbit hop. Horizontal flat lines, which equals stiffness, always. More acute angles and the lines would straight up, which is another common mistake. So keeping in mind these 45-degree angles, I just draw one line flowing into the other. No more random lines. I keep doing it for a good 5 minutes before each and every drawing session. And this not only warms me up, making things way easier during my actual drawing sessions, but also reminds me of the rhythm concept, which is really the core of figure drawing. If you implement this exercise in your drawing routine, you will not only see a technical improvement in the way you draw, but you will also start to understand this key concept of figure drawing. Because any figure is built with rhythm. If you need other exercises to master gesture drawing, this video is for you, and I will see you on my next step.